Welcome to my channel, Daily Proof Media. Stop scrolling. This might be why you haven't written your book. You don't lack ideas, you lack structure. Once you understand how to organize your thoughts, writing becomes easy. I want you to learn how. Join my training. You don't need perfect grammar to write a book. Let me tell you. Yes, you heard me right. What you need is clarity, structure, and a message people care about. Stop overthinking it. Start writing, or let me show you how. You have so many ideas, but you don't know how to start your book. That confusion is what keeps you stuck. The secret: start simple, one idea, one chapter, one step at a time. I will break it down for you. Check the link. And you don't need to be a writer to become an author. Let that sink in. With the right guidance, anyone can publish a book, including you that you are looking at me. If you are ready, I will show you how. This is why most people never publish their book. They wait for perfection. But perfection is the enemy of progress. Done is better than perfect. Start now and improve as you go. One book can change your financial story. One. But most people never get there because they never start. Don't be one of them. Take action today. I will guide you. If you have ever waited and wanted to write a book, this is your opportunity. Join my masterclass, Mastering the Art of Ebook Creation. Turn your idea into income. Don't wait. Check the bios and click in. Let's bring your book to life. Click that link or send me a message now. The date of the event is 4th to 10th of May 2026 and time is 9 to 10 p.m. GMT. Just click the link below this video to register. See you at the masterclass. Thank you for watching.